Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Let's just study it. Today we're going to discuss on mobile developer options, and this is one of the most useful information that every developer and tester need to know before they actually begin the development of mobile application or testing any mobile application. So we'll see one by one. So let's get started. What are developer options? So developer options are nothing but whenever any application we are developing during our development cycle or testing cycle, so we need to install that application into a mobile device. There are many different ways that we can install applications into a mobile device, but one of the the most used way is that using a USB cable. So using USB, developer can run the application in the Android Studio, and that application will directly install into our mobile device. This can be achieved when we have a developer options enabled, and under that developer options we have an option called USB debugging. So this option need to be enabled, and this developer option should be enabled. So without that we cannot install any applications into our mobile device. And there is a one way of installing application is by using APK files. So using APK files we can install these applications, but most common usage in the development or testing is using an USB cable. So to use that we need to enable the developer options, and under that we have an USB debugging options that need to be enabled. And there is one more terminology which is called digital signature. So digital signatures are nothing but whenever any application is developing by any developer, they own this application, so they are the owners of that application, and Play Store and App Store will accept based on their authorization or copyright. So if anything miscellaneous things happen into the application, they will hold this developer accounts. So this is the digital signature. So without digital signature you cannot see any applications into the App Store and Play Store, but you can install this application using a USB cables or using an APK files. And this is the most common feature that every developers and tester need to be aware. And there are different ways to enable this developer options. I have few listed here. So based on these device versions and devices, we have an option called build number. So this is the build number which provides an option to enable this developer tools. So I will show you using my device how can I enable this developer options, which is not available by default. So we need to enable that option. So let's see that. So once we are into mobile application, once we are in the mobile, we need to go to settings, and we need to scroll towards our about phone section. And in the about phone section we have different options, but we need to go to the versions. Under versions we have baseband and kernels. And under if you go inside to the versions, and we will find some more options, and but me majorly concentrating on the build number. So we need to tap 7 times on the build number, then only we will get an option to enable this developer options. So we need to tap 7 times on the build number, and it will ask us the authorization that you need to enable this developer option. We need to provide our device authentication. So once it's done, our developer options is enabled. So we need to go back to the settings again, and from there you can find it additional settings, or we have different settings. But in my phone I have an additional setting. Under additional settings I can see developer options. In most of the cases that will be available in the about phone section only in some phones, but based on the flavors it will varies. So we go to inside developer options. So once we are inside the developer options, so we have many options to see, and we can have many major we can increase our performance. We can do many things by using this developer option, but most the important stuff that we need to know is USB debugging. So we need to enable USB debugging so that our mobile device is accessible with the PC. So you can enable USB debugging. This is how we can enable this USB debugging in the developer options, and we can disable this developer options as well. In case if you don't want this option to be enabled, you can scroll up and you can disable these options. And if you want to do this options to be enabled again we need to go back to our build number, and we need to tap 7 times on the build number, then you can see the developer options again. So this is how we can see this option, but this is the most important information that every developer and testers needs to be know about this developer options in the Android phone. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel for more testing tools related stuff, and don't forget to share your comments. In case if you like this video, please like the video. Thank you.